The Chase Sapphire Reserve and Amex Platinum are two of the biggest names in premium travel cards, but they're built for very different types of travelers. The Sapphire Reserve recently jumped to a $795 annual fee, but it now packs a $2,700 in annual perks if you use them. 300 travel credit, 300 dining credit, $250 in Apple subscriptions, 300 in DoorDash and StubHub promos, Lyft, Peloton credits, plus Priority Pass and Chase Sapphire lounges. You also get 8x points on Chase Travel, 4x on flights and hotels, 3x on dining and top-tier travel protections. Meanwhile, the Amex Platinum carries a $695 fee and focuses on luxury. $200 in airline credits, $200 in hotel credits, $200 in Uber Cash, Saks, and entertainment perks, Elite Hilton and Marriott status, unmatched lounge access with Centurion and Delta Sky clubs. It earns 5x points on flights and hotels booked through Amex Travel. Membership rewards shine when transferred to airline partners. So if you want flexible perks and the strongest travel protections, the Sapphire Reserve is easier to maximize. And if you value lounges, hotel upgrades, and the luxury-focused ecosystem, the Amex Platinum wins. Which fits your travel style? Drop it in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.